Charmaine here, and this is
Kymarii.
Yep, that's my niece. And today we decided to do a little makeup tutorial. So I'm gonna let her do my makeup while I ask her some questions that she don't know nothing about. But let's get started.
Today we're going to be using the Fenty Skin for her foundation.
First question is something you're really good at.
Hair, I think.
Hair, yeah, you are good at hair. What's your favorite hairstyle?
I like the box braids.
Okay.
That's my
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a teacher.
Oh, what type of teaching you want to do?
Like preschool teacher.
Oh, okay, cool. What makes you feel nervous?
People stare at me.
When people
I'll do
stare.
anything.
That's me too. If you could be a superhero, what would your powers be?
To teleport.
What made you smile today?
Playing basketball.
You like playing basketball? That's good.
Now I'm going to do the concealer.
If you could trade places for a day, who would it be?
Rain.
You don't have to do nothing, just chill all day.
Yeah.
All day.
I want to be a baby again.
Okay. If you could be anything, what would you be? That's a hard one.
25.
25? Wow.
So I can start teaching. I want to teach.
What's your biggest dream?
So when I start, this when I like when I start.
Like, what would you, besides a teacher, like, if you could be
Like to change, like to get better at basketball.
to be like a basketball star, basically?
Yeah, I kind of want to be like a basketball coach.
Okay. So, when was the last time you made someone smile?
I think I'm gonna do that. Probably
On Friday?
Probably. I don't really remember.
Okay. What was the best part of your day?
Seeing my YouTube intro. Glittery red.
What's your favorite day of the week?
Monday.
Monday.
Monday's my favorite day.
That's surprising. Nobody likes Mondays.
Monday is because we don't do nothing at school.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
We just sit all day.
What's your favorite color?
But I just seen a motherfucking rainbow, nigga. I ain't that motherfucking thugged out, nigga. That shit beautiful.
That's cool. What's your favorite ice cream?
I kind of like rain. Just to mix it in together with a glittery color. So yeah, I just plan on doing pranks on my YouTube channel. I haven't really decided what I really want to do on it yet. Okay. Okay. to do
What is
her lashes.
the worst smell in the world?
Throw up.
Throw up. Okay. Okay. If you could invent something to make life
What's the
easier,
one
what
thing
would it
you
be?
couldn't live without?
My family.
Aww. I second you.
Yeah, like a twin.
What's your favorite family tradition?
Ooh, I kind of want everyone's around.
Like the
Probably the
family.
family.
Mm-hmm. What is your favorite? I've never been to one big.
We went to Six Flags. It was fun.
That sounds fun.
Yeah.
If you had $1 million, what would you spend it on?
Easier. But this is what it. Oh. I probably spent half of it.
Smart.
But this is what it is. It's the.
There you go. God damn. Jeez, okay. Flip, fed it off. Okay, last question. What is your favorite thing about yourself?
My personality.
Okay, girl. So let's get ready to reveal. Hey girl, you got me a little.
Just the lashes, you know, falling off, but whatever.
Good job. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and go and follow my girl. And we will be dropping. We will be dropping more videos for y'all. I hope y'all have fun with us. But have a good day and peace out.